Hey friends, it's Brianna Lene and I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I get my hair all the way together using the Mane Choice's brand new H20 Hydration Therapy collection. Y'all, this collection consists of a deep cleansing shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, hydrating therapy mask, hydrating spray, a leave-in conditioner, and last but not least, an oil. And I'm going to show you how I use each product today. First product that I'm going to start off with, the H20 Hydration Therapy Deep Cleansing Shampoo. This shampoo will help provide a deep clean, yet it's super gentle to remove excess oil, dirt, and pollution. Enhances your hair's natural shine and helps to improve hydration and manageability. Y'all, this shampoo is so silky, so soft, and has like a bomb lather. Definitely love it. My hair feels so good when applying this shampoo, and I'm making sure that I scrub my scalp and work it to the ends because no hair strand gets left behind. Now that I've completed washing my hair feels so soft, feels so clean, and now it's time to provide your hair with moisture. Now you can definitely go in with their conditioner, the H20 Hydration Therapy moisturizing conditioner. However, I decided to go in with the deep conditioning mask. This will help to deeply moisturize my hair and make detangling so much easier. It's going to improve the manageability and infuse my hair and scalp with intense hydration to help reduce breakage. Nobody likes to have breakage, right? So this is perfect. You all need to make sure whenever you wash your hair, you follow up with a conditioner. I really like how much slip this conditioner has. It definitely just melts in my hair. And you know what? My hair will thank me later. So I'm just going to apply this deep conditioning hair mask all throughout my hair and continue to work in sections. It's important to make sure you really work it through. It's important that you really work it through and massage the product in your hair so it's not just sitting on top of your hair. You want it to be resting in your hair strands. So take the time that you need to work this product in so you can get the benefits of it. So now that detangling my hair has been a breeze and I'm on the last section, I will sit under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes because that heat is necessary for me. And once I'm done, I'll rinse it out and I'll move on to the next step, which is styling. I'm going to do a voluminous twist out, and I'm going to show you the products that I'm using for that. The first product that I'm going to use for styling is the H20 Hydration Therapy Mineral Rich Hydration Spray. This will help to provide your hair with moisture and shine, and this unique hydration spray helps provide a protection shield over pollution. Now, when I first used this, you guys, I had to double check that I was using the right product because this hydration spray felt so good. A little bit goes a long way. Immediately, I was blown away. So I just apply this in each section, detangle this section, and then I'll apply another product. Next up, I'm going to be using the Hydration Therapy Intense Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this is important for your wash day process. This is a ultra hydrating leave-in conditioner that helps to penetrate the hair shaft to provide long-lasting moisture. Moisture is so important. Your hair cannot thrive if it's not moisturized. I want you guys to remember that. If you don't remember anything, if you are experiencing dry hair and your hair seems to be at the same length, I would definitely recommend you trying moisturizing products and creating a hair regimen that can help with strengthening your hair, moisturizing your hair, and most importantly, defining your hair for these beautiful styles. Now, with this leave-in conditioner, it will help to increase shine while providing a protective shield against pollution as well. So I'm just going to be working in sections, doing a loose two-strand twist for my twist out. And I'll show you guys how it looks in the end. As you can see, my twists are all done and they're looking so juicy. In order for my hair to hold better, I do sit under a hooded dryer until my hair is dry. Once my hair is dry, I'm following up with the Hydration Therapy Soothing Scalp Oil. I'm gonna make sure I put this on my ends when I am taking it out. Not just my ends, my hair, period. Put it on my hair while I'm taking it out because I want my hair to have an additional shine. And it's also perfectly okay to apply to your scalp to create a healthy scalp. If your scalp is dry, this will definitely help to nourish and hydrate it. As you all can see, these are my end results. My hair feels so moisturized, soft, and y'all, these products really hugged my hair in a way that I didn't know that I needed. So these are my end results, and I'm ready for a date night, a night out with the girls. I love these products. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're interested in any of these products, be sure to visit the Main Choice website and or your local Walmart. These products are sold, and I'll also put everything I use down in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.